Aurora swap meet find. I believe it's a senorita by Sig. I don't know, what else can I say? I wanted an efficient power system, so we went with a 3548, I believe. 790 kV from GP Power. Basically, you get them on Amazon. 80 amp ESC, also from Amazon. Running a Fly Sky full range receiver. As you can see, this plane was nitro, so a lot of the covering is starting to come off. I think over the winter I probably will strip it down, depending on if it does last, at least this season. It flies great. It's very gentle. Definitely recommend something like this if you are getting into the hobby.
Go Canada.
Go Canada. All right. The thing is, I already flew it, so it's not really maiden. I need more tail.
You're the king of the pulse, Greg.
I am. I always pulse. All right, we ready?
We're ready.
Up, up, and away. Oh, there's a lot of robins on the grass. All right, I'll do it. Actually, a little bit. That sun.
It's a burner.
She's floating away. Floating. All right, so that's hands off. All right, I'm gonna go back to the flight station. Where's our wind? Is that wind like north?
Yeah, it's north to south, Greg.
Okay.
Slight.
My problem is I don't have a timer. What does it say for filming?
You're 2.53 minutes.
It's definitely not fast, huh? But you can tell the difference with yours having a gyro and this one not. Huh?
Yeah. Flies super good though. Looks so stable.
And you can see there, that's when the wind goes over the trees, it just lifts it up. Actually, this platform would be good with the camera.
You can go under the sun. I did it once before. It was okay.
Alright, I'll try. Are we blinded? I'm ready to do this one. I guess, yeah, we can go under the sun. It's okay, you don't have to film the whole thing.
Okay, you're at 4:30.